Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Hare Krishna. Kartik month Mahatma story, chapter 28. Dharmadatta asked, I have heard that Jay and Vijay are also the gatekeepers of Lord Vishnu. What good deeds had they done in their previous birth, due to which they assumed the form of God and become the gatekeepers of Vaikuntha Dham? Both the counselors said, Brahmin, in ancient times, due to the vision of Maharishi Kardam, two sons were born from the womb of Trinavindu's daughter Devahuti. The elder of them was named Jay and the younger was named Vijay. Later, from the womb of the same Devahuti, Lord Kapil, who knew Yoga Dharma, was born. Jay and Vijay were always ready to worship God. They used to chant Ashtakshar mantra daily and observe Vaishnav vows. Once King Maruta invited both of them to his yajna. There, Jai, Brahma, and Vijay Acharya were created. They completed the entire ritual of yajna. At the end of the yajna, after Avbrit Sthan, King Maruta gave a lot of money to both of them. Both the brothers took the money and went to their ashram. While dividing the money there was a quarrel between the two. Jay said, This money should be divided equally. Vijay said, No, whatever he has got should remain with him. Then Jay got angry and cursed the greedy Vijay. You do not give after receiving, hence become a crocodile. Hearing Jay's curse, Vijay also cursed. You have cursed due to intoxication, hence you go into the womb of Matang, that is, elephant. After that, he prayed to God to remove the curse. Sri Bhagwan said, You are my devotee. Your word will never be untrue. Both of you will reach my abode again after suffering these curses given by yourself. Saying this, Lord Vishnu disappeared. Thereafter, both of them became Graha and Gaj on the banks of river Gand. Even in that life, he remembered his previous birth and remained ready to fast for Lord Vishnu. Sometime when Gajraj went to river Gand to take a bath in the month of Kartik, Graha, remembering the reason behind the curse, caught hold of the Gajraj. When Gajraj was caught by Graha, he remembered Lord Ramanath. Then Lord Vishnu appeared there, wearing conch, chakra, and mace. He saved Gajraj and Graha by using his chakra and gave them a form similar to his own and took them to Vaikuntha Dham. Since then, that place has been there. It is famous by the name of Hari Kshetra. They are the two world famous Jay and Vijay who were the gatekeepers of Lord Vishnu. Dharmadatta, you too should give up jealousy and hatred and always remain steadfast in the fast of Lord Vishnu. Be equanimous, always take bath in the morning in the months of Kartik, Magh and Vaishak. Remain steadfast in observing Ekadashi fast. Keep protecting Tulsi's garden. By doing this, you will also attain the supreme status of Lord Vishnu after the end of your body. Neither yajna nor charity nor pilgrimage is greater than this fast of yours that satisfies Lord Vishnu. Vipravar, blessed are you. This woman is being taken by us to Vaikuntha Dham after getting the fruit of half of her fast. Naradji said, O king, after giving such advice to Dharmadatta, both the flying counselors went to Vaikuntha Dham along with that Kalha. Dharmadatta remained steadfast in his vow to God throughout his life, and after his death, he, along with his two wives, attained Vaikuntha Dham. One who listens and narrates this ancient history by the grace of Lord Jagadguru attains the best path which leads to his association. Kartik month Mahatmya story chapter 28 is completed. Shri Krishna Govind Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govind Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva He Nath Narayan Vasudeva He Nath Narayan Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govind Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva.